Hey guys, this is Richie with photoboothDoctor.com, and today we're going to talk about how to change the sample images of the print alternate, which is, the print alternate option. And this will show you what they look like. Just going to start the booth real quick. It'll be these images right here, these little sample images. So if you want to change it, and this video will teach you how. So let's get straight to it. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to close Darkroom booth, and then you're going to click on File Explorer. Next, you're going to do is you're going to go into this PC, and then you're going to go into where it says C drive, local disk C drive, and then users, and then public, and then public documents. It has to be public documents, and then Darkroom booth, and then photos. And now you see a very familiar page. As you notice, this is your local disk X drive, but in the C drive. This is where all of Darkroom gets stored at. And everything's just nice. So technically you could also do this with Darkroom open if you want to get to this quicker. But I just thought it's just good information to know where Darkroom is at without opening up Darkroom, because you never know what would happen in the future. But anyways, and what I recommend is also to pin this to your quick access by going up here and then click on pin to quick access. And now it'll be on your left hand side, photos. It's just a easy way to get there. But anyways, next you're going to go into sample photos and then session 1. And now you see the images that are used in print alternate. And now what you're going to do is you're just more or less going to drag the image into here. Your image, you can use like one from your photo booth, from one of your events, stuff like that. But do keep in mind it does have to be .jpeg. It cannot be PNG. It just has to be .jpeg or it will not work. For me, since I don't really have any images on this computer, I just went on Canva and created these images right here. And the one thing from what I've realized is that I'm not these images are 1280 by 850, the size of it. And I don't know if you go for like a bigger dimension image, if it will like zoom it in, it might crop some things around it that you wanted to show, stuff like that. So what I did was I just resized it in Canva, like 1280 by 850, and just to be on the safe side, but I'd still recommend it. And as you know, you could use Canva to upload your images onto here. But anyways, next you're gonna do is, well, I'm gonna download it first. So go to download and then make sure it's JPEG, then download. And once you have your image, you're just gonna drag it into here. Now you see my little people. Now here's what you're gonna do. You're just gonna rename the sample 01, copy this, and then if you want to keep these images here as backup, you can just change the name and put sample 2222. If you want to like use that maybe in the future or something, up to you. You could just delete it as well if you're never going to use it. But anyways, so now you see the image right here, the one that we just dragged in. You're going to right click it and rename it. And you're going to make sure that you rename it the exact same name as it was before. It is case sensitive, so it has to be capital S, and then 0 1. But once you press enter, it will change. And now once I open up Darkroom, you'll see it in action. So Darkroom booth, open it back up, and then start booth. And now you'll see the image that I replaced it with is now popping up, the little people. And then again, you'll just do the same thing for every other image. So drag another picture, change the name for that of this one, or delete this. Again, these you can delete them, doesn't matter. But as long as you name it sample 02 and case sensitive, then you're good. Same for 3. Drag another image, change it to sample 03, then drag another image, sample 04, and you get the rest. But yeah. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to respond in the comments as soon as I can. and hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.